Because I'm a water media specialist, I like to teach in watercolor, acrylic, mixed media, and water-soluble oils. Georgia Manser here. I'm going to be demonstrating an acrylic painting, Seascape. One of the things that I think is holding students back is that they think that they have trouble mixing color. But actually, that's not the problem. In my experience, they need to get their values and structure correct before they start learning how to mix color. And once they get their structure and their values correct, the color falls into place naturally because it's in the right value, the right tone, and then you can add the color almost arbitrarily and it will work. Simplifying the masses into just shapes and values takes a really complicated, chaotic scene and breaks it down into just something very approachable in a practical way that says what you're trying to say and express about the scene. You can capture the essence by the big structure of just shapes and values. So I'd love to invite you to come along and paint with me, and I'm going to be sharing some tips and techniques and painting wisdom that's going to make your painting progress and journey a whole lot easier.